Welcome back to Simright Fashion Academy YouTube channel for another interesting tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to sew this beautiful casual kaftan top. So you can see the top is actually casual and beautiful as well. So this is what I came out with, and it has two size pockets and it also has a keyhole as well. So this is simple and cute. So if this is what you want to learn in this class, I will encourage you to stay till the end of this tutorial to learn how this beautiful top is made. You can actually make a trouser for it. You can also use another trouser to wear it as well. So please stay tuned to the end of this tutorial to learn how this is made. So I'm going to make use of 2 yards of crepe fabric. My fabric is 2 yards and is a thick crepe fabric I'm actually using. So if you can get thick crepe, that will give you this actual effect. So I'm going to open up my 2 yards of crepe fabric right now. So this is 2 yards. I'm placing it on the first fold and I'll have 1 yard. So after placing it on the first fold, this is the folded edge, I'm going to place it on another fold. So once you place it on another fold, this is what we are going to have as well. So we have it folded into 4 times. So we are going to work on the folded part as center front and center back. So at the center front, I'm going to take my neck measurement. So the full length is 36 inches because it's 2 yards. When you fold it, you have 36 for a length. So my neckline is 3.5 inches. That is the width, 3.5. The depth is 1.5 for the back. To connect the 1.5 inches depth to the width. Then the neck depth is 3.5 inches. So I'm going to connect the neck depth for the front, 3.5 to the 3.5 inches width as well. So after connecting this, I'll measure 3.5 inches again. 3.5 inches is my keyhole. So I'm going to take my shoulder divide by 2. I have 8 inches. So from here, I'm going to take my sleeve length. I'm working with 19 inches. So you can work with 17 or 18 inches, but I'll work with 19 inches. I don't want it too long. So I have 2.5 inch left after I measured 19 inches, and I'm going to mark it all the way to the down piece. So I'm ruling a straight line because I'll cut off that part. So we are going to cut what we have right here. So first I'm going to measure my sleeve opening at 9 inches. Just mark 9 inches as your sleeve opening, and then I'm going to place my tape to get my waist measurement. So my waist measurement now, because we want to create the pocket, so I will advise you just create your pocket at your waist measurement, but I came down by 2 inches, but I noticed it was sewed down. Start your pocket at your waistline and your pocket space should be 7 inches. So here is my pocket space. So from the waist to the pocket space you have 7 inches, and this is my sleeve line. So we are done. Next is to start cutting out the fabric. So like I said, it's a casual top and it's really very simple. So I'm cutting out right now and cut the back neckline. Make sure you make notches at the sleeve line, the pocket spacing, from the starting point of the pocket to the 7 inches of the pocket spacing. Make notches as you can see. So now I'm going to open up the dress. After making the notches, I'll open up the dress to cut out the front neckline and the keyhole. So I'll just cut out the neckline as you can see. Then I'm going to also cut the keyhole as well. So you cut up to the 3.5 inches which we made. So here is what I got as the keyhole. So I'm going to place a facing. Actually, I just got 2 yards of fabric, so you can get just maybe half a yard to create the facing if you want to use this exact material. But I just got a material that will be good for the facing. So you place it on fold and cut out the neckline. You can see how I place the facing. So I'll also open up the keyhole on the facing. I'll open it up to the point of 3.5. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take off my pins and then shaping my facing. So I'm going to just go around it, like this, just to shaping my facing. So after that is done, the next thing we are going to do is to sew the facing to the neckline. So I'll place it right side to right side and secure with my pins. So I'm going to pin all around the neckline. So make sure you pin and pin and pin very well, okay, before you stitch. So I'll go over to the machine and sew round it like that at 0.5 inch, after which I'm going to notch. So make sure you notch very well. You can see me notching very well. So that is all for the facing. Next, we are going to flip the seams to the facing and top stitch around it. So I'm done doing that and I have to iron it. I use my hemming gum to iron it. You can also tack, you can use hemming gum, any which way is good. So the next is the pocket. I'm just using a piece of fabric for my pocket. So just get 2.5 yards of this fabric, so you can have everything, both your pockets uniform. So 2.5 yards is what you actually need. 2 yards for the bodies, half yard for the facing and the pocket. So for the pocket, I mark the pocket opening at 7 inches, okay, and I'm going to create the pocket. Just put your hand downwards. You can see me putting my hand downwards and I'll connect it to the pocket spacing. So this is how I love to cut my pocket. So I'm just going to cut round it like that. So I folded just 2 pieces. If you have enough fabric, just fold 4 pieces so you can cut all the pockets together. So I'm going to place this pocket on top of another, so I'll be able to get my 4 pieces. So this is what I got right here. So next, I'll now attach the pocket to the pocket spacings I notched. So you can see the notches I made, the 7 inches notches. So I'm going to place the pocket right side to right side of the fabric, making sure it's facing downwards. You can see how my pocket is facing downwards. I'll also do the same the other way. So I'm done with my pockets right now. I'm going to put the dress together. I'll put it together and close the sides. So I'm going to sew half an inch. I'm going to sew 1 inch. From the sleeve, I will go in 1 inch on the sleeve where I notched. My stitching is going to be 1 inch and half an inch into the pocket. So I'm done now. 1 inch, half an inch into the pocket and 1 inch outside. So I'm going to hem the sleeve right now. So I'll go ahead and hem it round and also hem the down part of this dress. So we have, and make sure you make notches on the pocket corners to enable the corners of the pocket to be free. So I'll also repeat the same process for the other side of the pocket. So we have gradually come to the end of this tutorial. So you can see, like I earlier said, this dress is casual and simple and cute. So I believe you learned a lot from this tutorial. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe to Simrai Fashion Academy YouTube channel. We upload videos on this channel every day. Turn on your notification bell to receive videos like this. Like this video, share to family and friends. Drop your comment on the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the